Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to list all Google Drive links in a Google Sheet without using any external tools. Whether you're managing large files or organizing shared documents, this method saves time and streamlines your workflow. Imagine having all the contents of a Google Drive folder neatly displayed in a Google Sheet. It makes file management so much easier. The steps are very easy to follow. In the menu bar of your Google Sheet, click on Extensions, then select App Script. This will open the App Script window where we'll add a simple script to display the contents of your Google Drive folder in your sheet. Don't worry if you've never coded before. I've prepared a ready-made script for you. You can find the link to the script in the description below. Once the script editor opens, remove any existing code and paste the provided script. In summary, this script generates a hierarchical list of files and folders within a Google Drive folder and displays their metadata, like file names, types, and links, directly in your Google Sheet. After pasting the script, click the Save button at the top. Next, click the Run button beside the Save icon. The first time you run the script, it will ask for authorization since it needs permission to access your Google Drive data. Click on Review Permissions, then select the Google account linked to your Drive, click Advance, and then click Allow to grant access. This step ensures the script can safely pull your Drive data into the sheet. Once the script runs, you'll see a message that execution started and completed successfully. Go back to your Google Sheet and reload the page. You'll now see a new menu called List Files and Folders. Click on it, then select List All Files and Folders from the drop-down. A pop-up will appear asking for a folder ID. Go to Google Drive, open the folder you want to list, and copy the folder ID from the URL. Make sure you are inside the folder when copying the ID. Paste it into the pop-up in Google Sheets and click OK. The script will generate a hierarchical list of all files and folders within that Google Drive folder, complete with metadata and clickable links. Now in your spreadsheet, you can click on any link and it will take you directly to the corresponding file in Google Drive. This makes navigating your Drive much faster and more organized. I've already created a similar sheet before, but it was slightly outdated, so I made this updated tutorial to help you. Don't worry, the link to the script is in the description so you can easily follow along. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.